replace. I say whenever technology is there, I'll say red should be there. I'll say for furniture, I should have a green. And office supply, you make sure the spelling should be same. I'll have blue. After making this column, we can utilize this column in place of color. See the difference. So, but currently my legend is not releasing the same value. It shows me red only. Here is a drawback for this logic. So next option is there to plot this. Data would be look like same, but we would be having separate legends. Furniture, for furniture we having values as it is which we require. For that purpose, we are saying let's plot in parts. We are running plot statement 3 times. One is for furniture, technology, and office supply. Okay, I'll say A in df dot category. I'll say unique. What I'll get unique names. Fine. So I'm saying I'm filtering my data frame based on category. So whenever this technology there, I'll be getting data of technology only, then subsequently furniture and office supply. Now I'm releasing my plot based on DFA rather than DF. So let me copy this. I'm keeping this scattered command under this for loop only. DFA. Label, I'll say I should get a category name. Let it be A. Colors, I am not specifying anything. Or you can put if statement for branding your colors. If category is furniture, then color is so and so. For timing, I'm not putting on colors here. Let's see the output. It's given technology as a blue, furniture as a orange, and office supply as a green. By default, giving different colors for different categories. Still, if you want color should be there, you can put a if statement here. If category is so and so, you can have a color specified manually, which is generally not permitted. If still you manage saying, hey, I want this technology should be in green, then you can go for A equal to, I'll say technology. I'll say and color should be a green. Fine. Alif A equal to, I'll say next is what? Furniture. Let me copy this and furniture should be, I say furniture is in what color? Okay, let it be in red. For else, I'm saying let it be other colors, which is blue. So in that case, in your data, furniture spelling is wrong about. Technology, it's showing me what? Furniture and office supply in same color. Furniture and office supply should not be in same color. It is in blue. So it's not validating this. Furniture should be there. Just capital or what?
Sir, in Alif, furniture spelling is wrong.
That's why I'm saying some case was wrong for me. Fine, done, good to go. So it's showing me colors. Still, if you manage saying you're good to go, then we can take a call whether you want to take the data likewise or not. Still, he's saying in a I want a few more designing should be there. So he'll say, let's say I'm having marker with me. I'll say let it be an asterisk. It is not visible. He's saying, what the hell you done? I said, no issue, sir. Let me increase the size also. So depending on need, we can take a call. Marker and a size. S is for size here. You can take a call whether you want to go for marker. Are so many lists are there, more than 8-10 markers are there. You can search. as needed. Suppose if I do the same here, let me see if I'll do it likewise. Say plus sign to be taken as a furniture. And a few more charts icons are there which you can utilize. Depending on need, you can take a call. Which icon is pertaining to which requirement. So size plus minus you can do as and when needed. So there were so many things. So before going ahead in the advancing part, let me take some case there. We are having one case. Let me show you. IP visits. Very important functions. Let me copy this. Import IP visits. Or let me write like this: from IP visit, import interact. So IP visit helping you to take advantage of JavaScript controls like drop down, text box, list, slicer, and so many things are there. So I'm having one requirement from my manager. He's saying I want this chart should be filtered based on my let's say what is my segment. Okay, so if you see the segment part, value dot counts. So we are having, oh my god, office is 5 only. Okay, consumer is 23 values, corporate is 19 values, office is 5, and of home office is 3 values. Fine. He's saying, Rainder, you have to make a program so that I can have a drop down. I can have a drop down to choose the chart values and segments. You can say segment to be available in a drop down where I can select and can see the difference. For that purpose, I say no issue. We do have options. Let me take one function. Let's make any name. Get chart. I say I'll be providing segment. Based on segment, I'm giving a message. Say a segment provided is just for knowledge person. There's nothing to related to plotting. So I say let's filter your data frame on segment given by user. Now your plot, your data is having this much information which is pertaining to a segment only. So I'll say let me copy this chart again. All copy paste, nothing. I'm not doing any coding here. So I remove this part. I'm keeping color code same, or if you want to remove this permutation, you can remove it. Let's save the line of code. I say I'm having, but in that case, this issue would be there. You will not be able to see the this category separations if I remove this. Next. And next, now I'm filtering from DFA and making DFB and plotting DFB only. Okay. So first and foremost, user give me a segment. Based on segment, I'm filtering my data frame. And on this segment, I'm saying let filter or color coded the categories. For that purpose only, I'm sub-filtering my A, which is already filtered with segment. Depending on case, you can take a call. So, okay. And nesting should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I call this, I'll say, let me take, what is the segment name I'm having? Let me take consumer, it's a good amount. But color is blue only. So let me remove the color so that it take colors automatically. Fine. For consumer segment, it's showing me this data is. Likewise, if I go for some let's say office should be there. Yes, it is there for 5 values.